is going on, everybody? I am G82 Driven. If you're new to this channel, welcome to the channel. If you're returning from watching my other videos, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting day today. Today we have the Clearwater Capital Car Meet. This car meet has been one that I've registered 2 months back. The M4 is ready to go. This one already, off the top of my head, I believe is going to have 200 cars.
Are you serious?
So this is going to be a crazy car meet. All types of cars are going to be here, from high dollar supercars to your lower end sports cars. It's going to be an awesome meet. Before I meet you guys all over there, please do not forget to smash that like button and hit the subscriber and notification bell. I always really appreciate the constant support. We're at 247 subscribers right now. My goal is to get to 500 by the next couple months. Really excited to hit that milestone here from day one of starting my channel. So appreciate all of you, and I will see you guys all at the car meet. All right, guys, so we just made it over to the pre-meet. As you can see right now, we're just in this parking lot. We're gonna hang out here until about 9 a.m. Because that is when they're gonna start allowing us over into the car showing area. But as you can see, we got a decent turnout. Some Maseratis over there, some Beamers. Then we got that nice Lamborghini that you've seen on the channel before, and then a nice McLaren 720 as well. Just currently waiting in line right now to get into the meet, but it's insane already. Just the amount of cars that are pulling in here. I cannot wait to walk around this meet with the amount of cars. We even saw a Murcielago with somebody wearing a Stig helmet. So not sure if that's actually a Stig, if that's crazy. That's actually wild.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we just parked. Again, it's loud with the DJ, but insane turnout already, as you can see. Let's go around and see some cool cars. All yellow carbon out Revelto. Oh my god. Right, again, I am standing in front of the second Koenigsegg Jesko we've seen on this channel. This one in a blue carbon accent. Next to this car is a LaFerrari. Alex Troy's Interceptor GT3RS here at the meet. Love the neon green on the GTS. It's always been one of my favorite colors for the GTS, to be honest. Upgraded intakes on the AMG. Clean AMG spec. Great paint job on the GT5 Shelby, GT500 Shelby. Another one next to it too. Guys, we found the best driver of the car meet. It's Kermit behind the GT500. He's whipping this thing. Alright guys, my fiance likes this one a lot, but this is, I didn't even realize this, but this is a Brabus S 2-door 63 or the 800 Rocket. Frozen white on this with the forged carbon all around. With a beautiful blue spec in the GT3 RS with the chrome rims. And a lot of people say this car is overhyped, but I don't know. This car just looks so good. Got a frozen red metallic Technica on HREs. Honestly, wasn't a too big fan of Technica when it first came out, but the more I see them spec'd out, the more I actually like them. Guys, we're only like probably 30 minutes into this car meet. People are still pulling in. There's a crazy amount of cars, like I said. Okay. There's about 200 cars in total that are coming to this car meet. There's probably only a fraction of them here right now. A lot is still empty. So let's see what else pulls in. Twin Huracans. One being a Performante though, definitely the better one. Definitely that orange. Another GT3 RS in the slate gray spec. The bronze wheels. Big body Rolls Royce showing out. Alright guys, this was the Murcielago that was labeled the Stig. The guy even had the helmet. Not sure, this might be the Stig. This might not be the Stig. World may never know. FS90. Love this Ferrari. Probably one of my favorite ones. A Rimac is even here. First time ever seeing this. Beautiful paint job with the carbon accents. We have a beautiful blue spec on the SV. Pretty sure we've seen this one on the channel before too, but honestly still one of my dream cars. Next to an old Veyron, still taking over the meet. Tons of people surrounding this car. Still a great looking car. Got another blue Huracan here, but with the carbon fenders. Love the look on the carbon fenders when they do this with this. This is the first time seeing a GTD in this metallic forest green. This car is just crazy to look at.
Bruh, look at this dude.
Corgi getting aggressive. Corgi's hyped up. Trifecta of supercars. You got the 720, you got the Pista, and you got the Revelto. Alright guys, we're just getting into some shade right now, cooling down a little bit, but actually the Hamilton car collection guy is right in front of me, so it is confirmed. Even rarer on this Murcielago, gated shifter. so far, what is your favorite car?
Your car.
Yeah, boy.
I can't see them driving.
But this is like a dream car.
One egg, somebody's making it. I got 3 that made it.
The meat's starting to get rowdy now. Pick it up.
Windshield wiper, I think, would be distracting driving anywhere like that.
Number 55 of 100 on this Aventador. All right, so this is by far probably the best one here, actually. Full carbon, black gold accented Bugatti Veyron. As old as this car looks, still a powerhouse. It looks phenomenal. So far, a lot of people I think are starting to dip out, but I mean, it goes till noon, so we'll see what happens. But still, a couple cars are pulling in. We just had a white Aventador pull in, and then followed by another Porsche Turbo S. So we'll see what else we got going on. But by far, I think that favorite car has got to be that Bugatti that came in. That's crazy. Oh, the NSX. Red, white, and blue F12 or A12 Superfast. Candy red Aventador SV. Still just love this car. Next to a nice McLaren. Next to another McLaren. Alright guys, I think our journey ends here. We kind of walked the whole car meet. Hamilton Collection just left as well, as you can see. Kind of winding down, but still early in the morning. So hope you all enjoyed this car meet. This was probably one of the biggest ones of the year. Next one, we're going to be in Wisconsin. That's going to be the next big one that's going to be on our radar. But we will see you guys there. Peace.